Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate OKX trading account with US-based funding methods, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the OKX website. Click on the sign up button located in the top right corner. Fill in all required personal information. Make sure to use a valid email address or phone number. Create a strong password that meets the platform's security requirements. After completing the registration, check your email or SMS for a verification code. Enter the verification code in the designated field to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log in with your credentials. Navigate to the wallet section from the main dashboard. Select deposit to begin the funding process. Choose your preferred US-based funding method from the available options. If you select a bank transfer, input your bank account details as prompted. For debit or credit cards, enter your card information and billing address. Follow any additional prompts required for your selected funding method. Review the deposit details carefully before proceeding. Confirm the transaction to initiate the funding process. Once your deposit is processed, check your wallet balance to verify that the funds have arrived. Now you're ready to start trading on OKX. Explore different trading pairs and options available on the platform. Familiarize yourself with the trading interface to enhance your experience. Consider researching trading strategies to maximize your investment potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.